Hello guys, this is StepByStepper here, and today we are going to start the video series on how to set up your own Minecraft server using a free virtual private server. Now, what a VPS lets you do is have your Minecraft server on even when your computer is off, and whenever you see a 24/7 server that's very popular, that is usually run on a VPS. And I'm going to teach you how to do that today for absolutely free. And the things you're going to need: an email, and also a mobile phone number. Now, this is completely free. You will never be charged anything. All you have to do is receive a text message somewhere, and that's basically all you need. So, the first thing we're going to do, go to our web browser, type in Elastic Hosts. Now, this is the website we're looking for, and this lets you have a free hosting trial. Now, if you live in the US, I suggest you go onto this page, and I want you to pick either UK or US. If you live in the United Kingdom or Europe or Asia, I suggest you pick the UK servers. And if you live in the US, which probably most of you do, you will want to pick the US option here. What you're going to put here is your name, your email. Your name can be fake or real, doesn't really matter. Your email has to be real, and your cell phone number also has to be real. Make sure to put your dial codes for your country. So I'm going to do that, and then you also have your you'll pick this, and then you'll want to go down here, select anything you want, then agree to the terms and create your free trial account. And I'll get back to you when I've done that. Alright, now that you have done that and press submit, what you'll need, what you will see is this screen right here, and it will say welcome to your Elastichost account, the password being sent to your registered email address, and so on and so forth. In about 5 seconds you should receive a text message on your phone number as well. And don't worry guys, this doesn't charge you anything, it's just a text message. You don't have to send anything back. They will never do anything, they'll never send you anything again ever. You also receive an email like this, and I'm not going to show you anything else, but this is sort of where it starts, if you can see that. It will show you your zone, which is what you applied to. I will also show you your password, and it starts with, your 4 letters will be different, but that's what mine are like. And also I received a text message. Called elastic at, and inside that it will tell you your what your password ends with. So now what you're going to do is click profile here. Then you're going to log in with your email, which I'm going to do right now, and your password. You'll have to enter the first part and the second part. Z F Y A J Z W, and capitalization does matter. Now you're going to log in. Right. You're going to see this if you did click profile. If you didn't, just go to my account profile. It will tell you your email. And let's check the second part. Okay, and your new password, I'll just put something simple. Anything. Now you're going to go to my control panel, and you will see this server demo. You're going to delete it. So say OK, and you should see something clear here. Now here's what you're going to do. In the add server or drive menu, what you're going to do is hit server up here, name your server anything you want. I'm just going to name it that. Don't put anything too strange here because they do check. And you're going to do self-install from CD. And what you're going to select is CentOS Linux 5.5 install CD, the first choice. And for your size, what you're going to do is type in 14 gigabytes, nothing more, or it won't work. You can do less, but that's the most you can get. And what you'll see here is your test server, your drive test server. And what you're going to do is click edit here. And you leave all of these options as they're here, but here in the VNC3 password category field, what you're going to type is something you can remember. So I'll just type in lol cat. So yeah, just configure that. Press configure. Now you should go back to control panel and you'll hit start. Now, once you see your IP address and your VNC password, what you will need to do is get yourself a VNC client. Now, I use a Mac, but if you have Windows, what you'll want to get is type VNC, real VNC. I don't know, just get yourself a VNC client, and you can get a lot of free ones. Search for a YouTube video. If you're on Mac, what you're gonna get is chicken of the VNC. This is a free source VNC thing, and it works quite well. What you're just gonna do is hit download here, install it. I'm sure you know how to install things. So yeah, you're good to go. Now you're gonna run your VNC client. Most of them are pretty much exactly the same. And you'll see this VNC login screen. What you're going to do is go back to your server, copy the IP address here, enter the password that you had. Yeah, so once you have that, make sure it's not set to view only. Everything else you can set as default, so you'll just connect. And here you will see this window. Alright, so next thing you're going to do is once you have the screen, click on it and click on it, and you'll see this screen first. What you want to do is press the right arrow key, which sets it to skip, and press enter. And it will do a few commands to start the installer, and you'll probably see this. So you've got on your VPS. Now what I find useful is using the arrow keys instead of the mouse to navigate, because there is going to be lag since you're controlling your computer, which is miles away from you. So I'll just use the arrow keys. So click next. You'll see this dialog, and if you're watching this video tutorial, you'll probably speak English, so keep it on English and press next. Keyboard, if you use a Dvorak keyboard or any other English layout, select that and press next. Here you will see a warning, just hit yes, and it will do all this. Now don't worry about any of these, just press next. Once again, select yes, press OK. And once again, next. Time zone, don't really need it, just press next. Root password, this is where you're going to set the password, your main root password. Just keep it simple, something you can remember, something you will never. Yeah, scroll next. Now in here, don't do anything, just press next. You don't need any additional packages, we're just going to install them once we're on the VPS. So everything is done. And you're ready to wait 30 minutes, so hit next. And this screen will stay for about 30 minutes. Now once you have this congratulations screen, which should just pop up by itself after about 15 or 30 minutes, you will need to click the reboot button. Just going to reboot the VPS. Now your CentOS final setup screen should appear and start loading up. Alright, we need to hit forward here. Trust. Alright, here's what you're going to do. You're going to disable the firewall because, yeah, just disable it. Yeah, this you can just leave this as well. Right, username. Make a user called Minecraft. For your full name, just type in something like for your password, anything you want. Finish. Bring up your CentOS. So you're going to type in your username, Minecraft, hit enter. Type in the last password you set up. So for your Minecraft user, and that should log in just fine. And you should have your, right, so you're going to go to applications, add remove software, and here you're going to type in your root password. And if your root password doesn't work, press shift while you do it because caps lock might be on. So what you're going to do is hit search. 1.6.0 search for available packages, and you're going to look for, actually not good old packages, you're going to look for OpenJDK runtime environments right here, and if you don't have this checkbox you're going to install it, so just make sure you have that. Now also go into system, security level, and firewall, and in the firewall you have to make sure it's disabled. Now press OK. Next thing you're going to do is hit the web browser icon right here. This is going to start your web browser. Get rid of all of these. Now go to, there we go, download.jsp, that's right. And what you're going to do is scroll all the way down until you see multiplayer beta software and download this Minecraft server.jar. Hit save as, save file, and archive. Yeah, just click save. Okay, now what you're going to do is go to applications, accessories, terminal. Here's what you're going to do. If you don't know how to use terminal, just follow the steps that I give you. CD small desktop. And now you should be in the desktop directory. Now what you're going to do is Java space dash jar space dash x, capital X, mx 1024 big M space dash x ms. Actually wait, no, instead of 1 of 24 put 512 xms 512 big M. And now I think it's just Minecraft server dot jar. Oh, right, that's probably not what it's called. Minecraft underscore server, yeah. So just press up if you've done it wrong like me. Put an underscore there. This should work. Okay. There you go. It will start the server. Yeah. When it says done, connect. Should work. Should work just fine. And that is how you make your own server. So thanks for watching.